Let's calculate calories and macros on a smoothie using the Renfrew food scale and Cronometer. Measuring in grams, that's the plate. Press the tare button, bring it down to 0. Now I'm gonna weigh my bananas, and here they are, 179 grams of banana. Add food, banana changes to 179 grams. That is 159.3 calories. Next I'm gonna add my protein powder. So it might be easier for me to put the whole thing on the weighing scale, bring it down to 0, and now I'm going to take out protein powder. Let's see, I've taken out 41 grams already. That should be enough. So I'll be using the scan barcode option, and that was 41 grams. That's 148 calories. Adding 5 grams of creatine monohydrate as well. That's got no calories. Next I'm going to add in organic soy milk. Might be easier again to just put the thing on here, put it to 0, and then pour out as much as I want to. And then with the subtraction, I can see how much actually went in. So when I put it back on, it goes to minus, and I need to change units to mils here. Here we are, that's mils. That was 163 mils. I'll be scanning the barcode again and change serving size to mils. I'm gonna put back in the amount of mils I put in. That's 65 calories. I ran out of the usual high protein, low fat yogurt I use. Instead, I'm going to use this low fat yogurt, which doesn't have as much protein, but it's still a decent one. So I'm going to add the yogurt, and at the end, I'll be able to see how much I actually added, because it's going to take the scale into minus. I'm going to make sure I remember to make sure the units are correct on there as well. Here we are. 94, that's mils. I guess it's the same with this mils or grams, that's 94. Use the scan barcode option again. I'm gonna add the amount here. You can change that to grams. So 94, 52 calories. I ran out of my chia seeds, but I'm gonna instead add some cashew nuts. So put this back to 0. I'm gonna add a few cashew nuts, just a small handful. I really don't wanna overdo the calories on this one. And that's about 11 grams of cashew nuts. And if you just go into history, Cronometer actually saves the history. So I should be able to find cashews. There we go. Last time I added 10 grams, this time it's 11 grams. Add that, 60 calories. I'm doing a 5-2 this week. Means I'm limiting myself to 900 calories 2 days of the week, which includes today. So this is going to be an entire meal replacement for me. This is a lot of calories. Alright, let's taste a smoothie, see what it tastes like. Quite nice. I used a chocolate flavored protein powder instead of the vanilla flavored one. I think with the banana, vanilla would match a bit better than chocolate. Chocolate is a bit overpowering. I tend to use it more with my yogurt, my protein, high protein Greek yogurt, perhaps with berries. Chocolate is a good mix with that. Makes it feel a bit more like an ice cream. With a smoothie, I prefer the vanilla, I think. But this is still quite good. It's like a weird mix of bananas with cashews and chocolate. Quite nice. Take care. I'll see you again.